Hello. How to create a typography effect in Photoshop. Go to the adjustment layer. Create black solid color layer. Select text tool. Type your text. Select all by pressing Ctrl A, align text in center. Deselect by pressing Ctrl D, right-click on text layer. Select Convert to Smart Object. Create a copy by holding the Alt key and dragging the mouse. Drop layer down. Double-click on layer. Set fill opacity to 0. Select stroke. Set size to 5 pixel, position outside, blend mode normal, opacity 100. Then hit OK. Create one more copy like this. Select both layers, create a group. Add a mask to the group. Select brush tool. Size 150 pixel. Soft round brush. Opacity 100. Set flow to 50%. Paint like this. Make sure foreground color is black. Duplicate the group by pressing Ctrl J, set layers position. Drag it down. Select Group Mask. Select Brush Tool. Again paint with the same settings. Select both groups. Create a new group by pressing Ctrl G, double-click on Group. Select Gradient Overlay. Follow the settings. Go to an adjustment layer. Select Hue Saturation. Play with colors. Double-click on the first layer. Type new text. And save by pressing Ctrl S. That's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.